Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Data validation in Excel allows users to control the type of data entered into a cell. A common use case is creating a drop-down list from a range of values, allowing users to select from predefined options. This tutorial will cover how to create a data validation list that ignores blanks and duplicates. Step-by-step tutorial. 1. Prepare your data. First, you need a list of values from which to create your drop-down. For this example, let's say you have the following values in cells A1 to A10, some of which are duplicates and some blanks. A1, apple. A2, banana. A3, A4, orange. A5, banana. A6, grape. A7, A8, apple. A9, mango. A10. To create a unique list without blanks. To create a unique list without blanks and duplicates, you can use Excel's built-in functions. For Excel 365 and Excel 2021, you can use the unique function directly. However, for earlier versions, a combination of other functions is required. Using Excel 365/2021 1 in a new column, let's say starting in D1, enter. Excel equals unique, filter, A1 A10, A1 A10. Using earlier versions of Excel *. 1 in cell D1, enter the following array formula, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter. Excel equals if error, index, $A $1 $A $10, match, 0, countif, $D $1 D1, $A $1 $A 10, plus if, $A $1 $A 10 equals, 1, 0, 0. Drag this formula down until you start seeing blank cells, example down to D10. 3. Set up data validation. Now, we will set up the data validation to use the unique list. 1. Select the cell where you want the drop-down, example E1. 2. Go to the Data tab on the ribbon. 3. Click on Data Validation in the Data Tools group. 4. In the Data Validation dialog box, select List from the Allow drop-down. 5. In the Source box, enter the range of your unique list. If you use the unique function, it might look something like Excel equals D1, the refers to the spill range of the unique function. If you use the array formula, enter Excel equals $D $1 D $10. 6. Click OK. 4. Test the drop-down. Now, click on cell E1, and you should see a drop-down list that contains only the unique values from A1 to A10, without any blanks or duplicates. Example code for VBA, optional. If you'd like to automate the process or implement this in VBA, here's a sample code that creates a unique list and sets up data validation. VBA. Sub create dropdown. Dim WS as worksheet. Dim source range as range. Dim unique range as range. Dim cell as range. Dim unique list as collection. Dim output as string. Dim I as long. Set WS equals this workbook.sheets, sheet 1, change to your sheet name. Set source range equals WS.range, A1 A10. Create a collection to store unique values. Set unique list equals new collection. On error resume next, ignore errors for duplicate entries. For each cell in source range. If cell.value then unique list.add cell.value, CSTR, cell.value, use the value as key. And if next cell on error go to 0, resume normal error handling. Prepare the output string. For I equals 1 to unique list.count. Output equals output and unique list, I, and. Next I. Remove the last comma. If len, output, 0 then. Output equals left, output, len, output, 1. And if. Set the data validation for a specific cell, example E1. With ws.range, E1, .validation. Delete any existing validation. Add type equals XL validate list, alert style equals XL valid alert stop, operator equals XL between, formula 1 equals output. Ignore blank equals true. In cell dropdown equals true. End with. End sub. Conclusion. In this tutorial, we covered how to create a data validation drop-down list in Excel that ignores blanks and duplicates. We also explored how to automate the process using VBA. With these techniques, you can ensure that users select valid entries from a predefined list, enhancing data integrity in your Excel worksheets.